Welcome to Alabama.
Welcome back to Bama, boys, and welcome back to the channel, y'all. Welcome. What's going on YouTube? It is Wednesday morning, and I'm on my way to Moody, Alabama to sell cars. Last week, you got to see when, the sale in Memphis, and I got to finally pick up a 6.0. I'm so happy about that, picking up that LS block. Cannot wait to build that thing. Hopefully next week I go ahead and take the block down, take it apart, and take it to the machine shop to get it all checked out. Gonna be a short one today because I am not going to Memphis. Oh my God. And because it's a good reason. As much as I love selling in Memphis and love selling my guys out there, I do have to get back to Atlanta and do a benefit auction the next day on a Thursday night. And it's going to be at Mercedes-Benz Stadium. How awesome is that? It's probably not going to be on the field, but however, I'm very excited to say that I will be speaking at Mercedes-Benz Stadium. But when I get back home, you see I got my jersey back there. Go to the Hawks game tonight after the sale, or this evening when I get back to Atlanta. Gonna enjoy that time with my daughter, gonna have a great time, and then just get back to work after that, studying my script and getting ready for that Thursday night event. But while you're back, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, bing bing. Go ahead and drop your comment at your favorite part of the video, and also like your favorite part of the video. Tell me how you like the past few videos as well. Let me know what's the best content I can keep on bringing out here to you. I'm gonna mix up all kinds of stuff in this, but mainly focus on the auctioneer on the road life and the auctioneer growing this journey and growing his career. Follow along. Thank y'all for coming right along. Let's get to the auction, baby.
84, having to be able to be 4, having to be able to be 4, 6, having to be able to be 86, 84, 6, having to be able to be 5, having to be able to be 8600, having to be able to be 86, having to be able to be 5, 6, having to be able to be 5, having to be able to be 86, get it now, what's over there? How to get number 93.
Come on, let's go, y'all.
Here we go. We're gonna get that 93s here. Grand Song. Gonna get yeah, 10 to 1. Gonna get 20 grand now too. And 2. You're gonna get 2, 2, 9, 2, 9, 4. You're gonna get 4, 9, 7. You're gonna get 6 and 8. 88. You're gonna get 20 pounds. You're gonna get 20 pounds on. You're gonna get down 2 and 2. You're gonna get 2, 2, 9, 2. You're gonna get have it 100. And 1, 2, 3. You're gonna get 3, 4. You're gonna get 4 and 4. You're gonna get 4 and 400. You're gonna get 4. That's the power gone. You're gonna get 4, 5 to 1. You're gonna get 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, you're gonna get 6, 7, you're gonna get 6, 7, you're again, you fire. That's the one now, 8, you're gonna be 8, 9, you're gonna get that now, 22 and 1, and 1, now 2, you're gonna here we go, you're gonna get green light, I'm gonna get altered suspension, right, you're gonna get here we go, lay, you're gonna get that, what do you think there? We'll tell it all. Hang it though. Gotta get that green line, yellow line, altered upgraded suspension. Gotta get here we go. Now gotta get 38. Gotta get I'll let it be a 34. Gone 2. And 2. Gotta get 2 4. Gotta get 6. 8. Gotta get 35,000 and 35,000. Last call. And 2.
So here's a quick look at some of the cars we sold. We had about 130 of them today in lane 4. Lots to choose from. Look at 2018, 133,000 miles on it. This Expedition was nice too as well. 2019 model. We have some of everything out here, baby. Platinum F-150. '15 model, nice Jeep, Cherokee. Then we got Wranglers. We got all kinds of stuff out here, baby. All kinds. High Country, Silverado. Just taking a quick look at our trucks. This 8 Series right here is sweet though. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't a big BMW guy, but this thing here is pretty sexy. I ain't gonna lie to you. It is. Pretty sexy. It is. 2020 model right here. Bighorn, baby. Look at that. Ain't even much gotta wipe anything in here, honestly. Look at that. Look how clean they're ready to go. Look at that. Look at the detail on it, baby. Come on. Come on. 2021 model. Sonata. Clean. Look at this thing. Just a few fingerprints on the screen. That's about it. Even got your wheel locks on it. Ready, baby. Ready to put it in the city. Got the wheel locks on it. Big Infinity truck. Beautiful ride. Beautiful ride. Let's take a look inside. Limited edition. Got your leather suede inserts on it. Look at that thing, baby. Hole in the top, as in sunroof. Suede, clean suede. Oh, headliner. Got the captain seats in them. Comfortable. Look at this thing. Got TVs in the headrest. 200s and 300s. Everything. It's 300S though. I got a limited. I don't have an S. This thing nice though. Nice. Nice. Nice ride. So this is just lane 4 of this lot, showing y'all what I sold today. Some of the cars I sold today. Me and Dallas and Dustin in the BYOB lane. Shout out to my boys out here from Gadsden, Alabama. Told y'all last week about last week's video about the test track. There it is. Boom, going out there. And coming back, you got the safety rails right there as well. Beautiful day today. Started out really cloudy and gloomy. Nice and warm today. Just a little bit of pollen flowing. I could breathe a little bit better today. And here's some more of our trucks. More of our trucks. Not in my lane, but this is a sweet ride. 430 convertible. Me and my 13-year-old, we rented one of these in Phoenix. We was riding in the summer last year. Pretty dope ride. Pretty dope ride.
Now 13, now 1, how do you go down 2, you're going down 2, you're in out, how do you go down 3, how do you go down 4, how do you go down 3, 4, how do you go down 4, last call, how do you go down, no you're not, down 5, how do you go down 5, let's see, let's go, Wormy, let's go.
Check out this baby. This would be a third, no, I think it's a 4th gen. Damn, I gotta get right on my bits. Just gotta work on these seats a little bit. It's a 1990, so that's gotta have a TPI motor in it. TPI motor. Should be 350 TPI. I ain't gonna open the hood, I don't know what's going on. But yeah, Targa top time. Take that top off in the summer. Let's go. Yeah, the sale today was okay. It wasn't our best, but you know, the things that brought the money were rocking. Like we had that one Jeep that brought a good amount of money on it. You know, we were working to get every dollar we could for all the cars, as we always do. But you know, once we got the bids going, it was going. But some of the cars, you know, we just wasn't getting as much activity as we like to get or normally get. But still a good day overall. So I'm back in Atlanta now, headed to get my baby. Well, it's not such a baby, but you know what I mean. And we're gonna go hang out at the Hawks game tonight, and then after that, go home and prepare for my event tomorrow. I'm already memorized half of the notes. Gonna make it a smooth, nice week. Life of an auction on the road, baby. Birmingham back to Atlanta, baby. Thank y'all for riding. Again, go ahead and like your favorite part of the video. Comment what you like, what you want to see, what you didn't like. Hit that subscribe and notification bell. I appreciate y'all. Ride with a big dog, bid with a big dog. Let's go.